Alright guys, welcome back to Salako the Analyst. I want to believe that every time you come around here, there's something for you to learn, there's something for you to share with a friend, with a colleague, or just with somebody around you. So today we're talking about something very, very interesting, about creating files using Microsoft Excel. So I'm going to walk you through how to go about that, and we're going to get at it straight away. So let's say you have these names of these new intakes in your office, and you want to create files, you want to undo your files, right? So you don't want to go through the stress of having to create files for them bit by bit or one after the other. So Excel can actually help you sort this within 2 minutes. You should be done. So let's start. So we have the equal to, just follow these steps carefully. Let's say before you want to create, it's supposed to be for your managing director. So we just do open quotes, MD, leave a space, close the quotes, and use your ampersand. That's as an and. Make sure you leave a space there. So before the and, so ensure you leave a space. So then leave a space after the and also. Then you have the name. What's the person's name? Cell A2. Leave a space. Then put another and ampersand. Leave another space. Right. Then open another quote. Then put your underscore. Then close the quote. Then leave a space again, and then use another. Click on the cell V2. That is, you'll see the results shortly, right? So having done this, so this is the result it gives you, right? MD Chinedu sales will be the name of the file. So just having done, just drag down. You can see that I've done this for names, and has also merged it to their departments. I'll call this file names, right? Okay. So just for beauty purpose, you can just put this within borders. Alright, so having done this, now you may also want to embolden this, embolden the header, right? Okay, so having done this, you can just simply copy the file names, right? And go to your notepad, clear what you have there, then paste your notepad. Then you can click on your save as. So save as. So you want to put what you've saved, what you want to save. You want to save it in a specific file, right? You want to save it in a specific file where you want. In a specific folder, I meant to say, where nothing will go wrong. So maybe you want to go to documents. Let me see what I have in my new folder. Okay, great, it's empty. So what I want to call this, I want to call this folder, I want to call it mg_files, right? So in this case, you're going to save it with .bat, right? So md_files.bat. Then click on save, right? So alright, so be sure, so having saved the file, be sure not to forget where you saved it at. So go to documents, save it in a new folder. So click on new folder, and this is the file that we open. So md.files saved as a Windows patch files, right? So just double click it and see what happens. So it opens your command prompt and it creates files for you. So you can see Adebayo _ maintenance, Adeola sales, Ayodele sales, Bolaji sales, up onto Zainab _IT. So it has not just helped you to create this folder, it also automatically arranges your folders for your files, I meant to say, for you. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to leave a comment. If you have to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to be the first to be notified on the next video, and don't forget to share with your friend. And I love you guys.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for much more.